record some of this. The storm approaches in Waynesville. About mile marker 450 on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Here she comes. Used to be able to see some mountains that way. Ooh, you feel how cold it's getting?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Look at that thing climbing up.
Look at clouds just coming over the side of the mountain right here. Watch, look up to the left.
Oh my God.
Look how it just now spilled over. It's just coming this way.
Holy cow, look at this. Oh, it's right on us.
Yeah.
How amazing and beautiful is that? Holy cow. Look at this rolling in over those mountains and over us. Hear that thunder?
Sounds like it's down farther.
Yeah, it sure does. Sounds that way.
Wow, how it's just sitting right like that.
Here it comes. Look at this coming down on us right now.
This is what I was telling you.
Oh my gosh. That is some nice cold rain.
Here it is. Wow, moving right beside it.
Wow, listen to that.
Whoa.
Woohoo! I don't know about you, but I'm shivering, boy.
Yeah, it hit you right there.
Welcome to summer in Waynesville. Woo! All right, time for a break. Whoa!